As of December 2025, PayPal offers instant transfers to linked bank accounts in over 20 countries, including the US, UK, Canada, Australia, and parts of the EU. This allows you to move funds from your PayPal balance to your bank in minutes, typically within 10 to 15 minutes, rather than the standard 1 to 3 business days. It's designed for immediate access to your money when you need it urgently. Remember, this is generally for PayPal balance funds only. The process is straightforward. First, log into your PayPal app or website. Next, select Transfer to Bank from your account options. Then, choose the Instant option for immediate transfer. Confirm the transfer. The money is then debited from your PayPal balance and credited to your bank account using real-time payment rails. In the US, this often leverages the clearinghouse's real-time payments (RTP) network, eliminating intermediaries. Funds typically arrive in your bank account within 10 to 15 minutes. To use instant transfers from PayPal to your bank, you'll need several key requirements in place. First, ensure you have a verified PayPal account with confirmed identity and bank details. Next, maintain a sufficient PayPal balance for the transfer amount, making sure to exclude any pending or unavailable funds. Your linked bank account, whether checking or savings, must support real-time payment services like RTP in the US or the UK's faster payment service. Finally, access to the PayPal mobile app is often required for biometric verification, such as fingerprint or facial recognition, to authorize the transfer. Instant transfers come with a fee, typically 1.5 to 2.5% of the transaction amount, with a minimum of 25 cents and a maximum of $10. Daily limits range from $5,000 to $10,000, depending on your account verification. Monthly caps can reach $50,000 for verified users. Keep in mind that smaller transfers will have proportionally higher costs due to the percentage-based fee. Instant transfers aren't available for business accounts in all regions. Amounts exceeding your account limits are also restricted. You must be in good standing with no holds on your PayPal funds. If a transfer fails, for example, due to bank downtime, the funds are instantly returned to your PayPal balance. Unfortunately, this feature is not yet available in emerging markets like India or Brazil. PayPal offers standard ACH transfers that are completely free, but they typically take 1 to 3 business days to complete. This is the traditional method using the automated clearinghouse network. Wire transfers through your bank are instant, providing immediate access to funds. However, they come with fees ranging from $10 to $30 per transfer, making them expensive for smaller amounts. PayPal's instant transfers offer a middle ground, prioritizing speed over cost compared to standard transfers. They're faster than ACH transfers, but typically cheaper than wire transfers, with fees around 1.5 to 2.5% of the amount. Other apps like Zelle, Cash App, and Venmo also provide instant transfers. These services sometimes have lower fees or no fees at all, depending on the specific service and your bank partnership. The future of instant transfers points toward wider global adoption of real-time payments, transforming how money moves across borders and platforms. As of 2025, real-time payment volumes have reached $50 trillion globally, with adoption expected to accelerate as more countries implement RTP networks and faster payment systems. PayPal is integrating instant transfers into its broader ecosystem, creating seamless connections between PayPal, Venmo for peer-to-peer payments, and e-commerce platforms for instant seller payouts. Costs are trending downward due to competitive pressures, with potential zero-fee models emerging for verified users. AI-driven risk assessment enables more accurate fraud detection, reducing the need for high fees. Emerging technologies like blockchain and central bank digital currencies could revolutionize instant transfers, potentially reducing fees and settlement times to just seconds through decentralized and secure systems. Freelancers can use instant transfers for quick access to client payments for urgent expenses. Small businesses can make timely supplier payments, avoiding late fees. However, fintech analysts predict more competition offering free instant options, and economists caution about impulsive spending. Always check PayPal's website for the most current details as features and fee structures vary by region and account type.